Are you tired of kneading by hand and finding that your recipes just don't turn out as you expected? After testing the best-selling mixers on the market, we have handpicked the 5 that truly stand out for their power and versatility. From basic models to the most complete ones with professional accessories, each mixer you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So, I highly recommend checking out the full list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's get started. Now, let's check out the kitchen mixer by Kitchen in the Box. With its 900-watt motor and 8.5-quart bowl. You know that moment when you're baking for a crowd and have to split your recipe into multiple batches? Well, this mixer solves that problem with its huge stainless steel bowl. Perfect if you're into batch baking or cooking for big family gatherings. What really caught my attention during testing was the motor. It starts at 900 watts, but can push up to 1,800 watts when needed. I've put it through its paces with everything from light cake batters to heavy bread doughs, and it handles them pretty well. The 10-speed settings give you good control. You can start slow for folding in flour and crank it up when you need to cream butter and sugar. Something I really appreciate is how practical it is to use. The tilt head design makes it super easy to add ingredients or switch attachments, and being able to toss the attachments in the dishwasher is a real time saver. Now, I should mention that it's mostly plastic construction. While this makes it lighter to move around, it doesn't feel quite as solid as some all-metal mixers I've tested. I did notice a couple of things that could be better. The bowl is great for big batches, but if you're making smaller recipes, you might find yourself scraping down the sides more often than you'd like. Also, even the lowest speed setting is a bit faster than I'd prefer. You'll want to start really slowly with dry ingredients, unless you want a flour cloud in your kitchen. For the price point, though, this mixer brings a lot to the table. It's significantly more affordable than premium brands like KitchenAid, while still offering solid performance for most home baking needs. I've dropped a link in the description where you can check out the current price and more details. Taking this spot on our list is the Kitchen Stand Mixer 4.5 quarts, featuring 10 adjustable speeds. After several weeks of putting this mixer through its paces, I can confidently say it's a reliable choice for daily baking tasks. The range of speed settings is particularly useful, allowing you to gently incorporate egg whites or tackle dense cookie dough with ease. A standout feature of this mixer is its dual bowl design, which is quite rare. It includes a stainless steel bowl and a food-safe plastic bowl that conveniently nest together. For those of us who are always short on counter space, this design is a game changer. The tilt head function operates smoothly, making it easy to swap out bowls and attachments. The mixer comes with a decent set of accessories, an aluminum dough hook, a flat beater, and a stainless steel whisk. I've run these through the dishwasher multiple times, and they've held up well, which is a big plus when you're cleaning up after a baking marathon. However, it's worth noting that this mixer isn't without its flaws. It tends to be a bit noisier than I'd prefer, especially at higher speeds. If you're accustomed to the heft of a KitchenAid, you might find this model feels lighter and less robust. While this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, it's something to consider. Another aspect I appreciated is the variety of colors available. You can choose from matte red, neon pink, and onyx black. I opted for the black, and it adds a sleek touch to my kitchen. While aesthetics aren't everything, it's nice to have choices. I've received feedback from viewers who use this mixer with their kids, and I understand why. It's intuitive enough for beginners to use without feeling intimidated. In terms of pricing, it strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering good value without breaking the bank. For more details on pricing and specifications, check out the description below. In this position, we have the Cuisinart Stand Mixer, 5.5 quarts, and I must say, it has truly impressed me during my trials. For those who frequently bake bread or prepare large batches, its 500-watt motor and spacious 5.5-quart bowl are a blessing. I've managed to whip up double batches effortlessly. What stands out about this mixer is the level of control it offers with its 12 speed settings. Whether you need a gentle touch for folding in delicate ingredients or high speed for whipping egg whites, this mixer has you covered. The tilt head design is a practical feature, allowing for easy attachment changes and bowl scraping without any awkward maneuvering. The mixer boasts a robust build with its die-cast metal body, ensuring stability even when tackling heavy doughs. However, it's worth noting that it's quite weighty, so frequent moving in and out of storage might not be ideal. Included in the package are all the essentials: a whisk, dough hook, mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout. I also tested the optional pasta maker attachment, which performed admirably. If you're interested in making ice cream, there's a separate attachment available for that as well. There are a few downsides to consider. The mixer can get quite noisy at higher speeds, making conversation difficult without raising your voice. Additionally, the price is on the higher side, so if you're an occasional baker, you might want to explore more budget-friendly options. One appealing aspect is the variety of colors available, allowing you to match the mixer to your kitchen decor if aesthetics matter to you. In summary, the Cuisinart 5.5 quarts is a reliable choice for those serious about baking. It offers the power and capacity needed for almost any home baking project. For more details on pricing or to read additional reviews, check out the links in the description below. Let's dive into the HOWORK stand mixer, which boasts a 6.5 quart capacity, making it an excellent option for those seeking strong performance without breaking the bank. Ever find yourself in the middle of preparing a large batch of cinnamon rolls only to have your mixer struggle to keep up? This model, with its 660-watt copper motor, handles such tasks with ease. After several weeks of testing, I found it to be a dependable companion for most baking endeavors. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for those who enjoy baking in bulk or preparing for family events. The transparent splash guard is a feature I truly value, as it has spared my countertops from countless flour mishaps. However, it's worth noting that the guard can be a bit tricky to secure at times, which can be frustrating if you're in a rush. The mixer offers 10 speeds, plus a pulse option, providing ample control over your mixing needs. Whether you're gently folding in chocolate chips or whipping up egg whites, the planetary mixing action ensures thorough coverage of the bowl's contents. A feature I particularly appreciate is the tilt head design, which simplifies the process of adding ingredients or changing attachments. The suction cups on the base are a thoughtful addition, keeping the mixer stable even when dealing with thick doughs, a task that challenged my previous mixer. There are a couple of points to consider though. While I haven't encountered any issues myself, some users have reported that the Teflon coating on the attachments may wear over time. Additionally, the bowl feels slightly less robust compared to other mixers I've evaluated. For its price, the HOWORK mixer offers great value, especially for those new to serious baking or with limited counter space. While it's not without its flaws, it performs reliably. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included a link in the description. Let's take a closer look at the COOKLEE stand mixer, a model that's been grabbing my attention recently. If you're an avid home baker, you'll love its spacious 9.5 quart stainless steel bowl, which is ideal for whipping up large quantities of your favorite treats. One standout feature of this mixer is its 660 watts copper motor. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that it operates more quietly than many other mixers I've tried. With 10 speed settings and a pulse option, it offers the versatility needed for precise mixing tasks. The planetary mixing action is particularly impressive, ensuring that every part of the bowl is reached, so you won't have to worry about ingredients sticking to the sides. It comes with all the standard attachments like a dowel hook, flat beater, and wire whip, which are quite sturdy. The pouring shield is a thoughtful addition, preventing flour from making a mess on your counters. However, it's worth noting that the large size might not suit everyone. If you usually bake smaller portions, the 9.5 quarts bowl might seem excessive. Additionally, the paddle attachment isn't as durable as those from some high-end brands, and you'll need to allocate some space for this mixer as it's not particularly compact. In terms of cost, this mixer offers a range of features typically found in pre-share models. The build quality is robust, and I appreciate the variety of colors available to match your kitchen decor. It's not about flashy extras. It focuses on delivering reliable performance. In summary, if you're in the market for a mixer that can handle substantial batches without a hefty price tag, the COOKLEE is a solid option. While it has its quirks, it consistently delivers good results. For the latest pricing and more information, check out the link in the description below.